Hello everyone, I am Enrique Ramirez, and today I'll be presenting the homepage of the Museum Citizen Collaboration Platform developed for the Migration Museum in Sweden. As you can see, first of all, at the top of the screen, we have a clean and functional navigation bar. Here you'll find the museum logo, which also works as a link to return to the main page from any section. Links to the main sections has Home, Discover, and Upload, and a language selector that allows users to switch between English, Swedish, and Spanish, making the platform accessible to different communities. Also, we have icons for notifications and search, and accounts drop-down menu that provides access to login, registration, and profile management functions. Okay, below the navigation, we have a main banner that displays a representative image of the museum and migration. This visual element immediately conveys the purpose of the platform while including the highlighted platform name and a Learn More button that directs users to more information about the platform purpose. Why using our platform section? This section, we explain the platform reason for being. We highlight how the platform amplifies and modernizes the museum, making stories more accessible and interactive. We also explain that it enables connection between generations. We mention that it enriches the visitor's experience through interactive elements, and we include a prominent Upload Your Story button that invites users to participate and share their experiences. Okay, we also have impact statistics that show platform reach and impact. We have number of active users, also number of stories uploaded, regions involved, real testimonies, percentage of users who report a deeper understanding of history, and percentage increase in detection of migration patterns worldwide. These metrics help build trust and show the value of the platform. Okay, at the end of the homepage, we display a selection of future stories, cards presenting different migration narratives organized into 4 categories. Each card includes a title, a brief description, and a read more button that leads to the full story. These stories cover different historical periods of migration experiences, providing a diverse view. There's also a See All link that directs users to explore all available stories. Okay, and at the bottom of the page, we have an informative photo that includes the museum mission statement, preserving personal and family stories for future generations. We also have links to sections has about us, contact, and privacy policy, and also social media icons to follow the museum on different platforms, and also some copyright information.
I'm going to show you the discovery stories in our web platform. This is where the users can browse through all the migration stories that the people have shared on our web platform. When they click on Discovery, in the top of the menu, we arrive to this page with features and welcoming title and brief introduction invites the visitors to explore the personal migration experiences from around the world. And the most helpful features is that you notice right away these interactive filters that at the top of the page, users can easily filter their stories by the time periods like 50s through 60s or more recent decades. Geographic regions such as Europe or Asia themselves include work, education, refugee experiences, and family stories. Using these filters is simple and just for click on it and any option on the stories below automatically update to match your interest. You can see how the selected filter change the color to show it's active and the main content on each area is to display the card in the clean or organize the grid each. The cards give you complete preview of the stories with an image that helps visualize the experiences that the title of such the Mediterranean crossing when the migration happened and who share it. There are also brief summaries that gives you days when the stories contain, along with helpful tracks showing the duration and main times themselves. And when the stories catch your interest, you simply click on read more, the button, and to view the complete narrative. And they can also show when each story was added and to the platform, and which is useful to find the most recent action. And at the bottom of the page, there's a simple pagination system with the numbers arrow, and they let you browse through all the available stories if there are too many displays on a single page. And this Discover Stories section is really serves as the heart of the web platform. It connects the people through the shared experiences and preserve their important migration stories from the future generation from them from the and appreciate.
When you click on the Read More button, it will take you directly to the full screen mode reading of the story. Instead of a go back button, we added a breadcrumbs menu that stores the path made by the user to get to the point they are. To use it, you simply need to click on the names highlighted in blue to go back to that section, being able to jump back to the desired section without necessarily having to go back one by one. Then at the right, you have a save button that allows to save stories and be able to later check them and at the same section. Then at the right, you have a save button that allows users to save stories and be able to later check them on a designated section. There's also included a share button, when by clicking on it, there is a drop-down menu where users are able to select where they wish to share the story through, being Facebook, Twitter, email, or other options. Then there are the images. In this case, they didn't load correctly, but they will show the images that the user selected when uploading the story, or even videos, as shown in the previous proposal. Below it, they're shown the short description also added when uploading the story, in this case being this one. We then have the story itself, divided into sections for better readability. Below, there is included one more time the full name of the person who uploaded it and the year. At the side of the text, there is a small section containing information about the author. There is their profile picture, their name, where they are from, and a description of who they are and what they do, which they can include as the profile section will be later implemented, and a button to visit their complete profile by directly clicking on the button. Beneath it, we added a similar story section, where the platform recommends similar stories to the one which is being read, to enhance user interaction and platform usage. There are also shown the content tab. Right at the bottom of the page, there is a comment section. By clicking in this blank box, you can start typing your comments to share your thoughts and opinions. If the user wants to hear testimonies while they read, we implemented a recorded audio feature. When you want to add a comment, you simply need to click the microphone icon, where you can record audio and it will be able to be heard at any time while reading the story. When done, you simply need to click the post comment button to submit your comments. In this case, inside the parentheses, there is a number of comments per story. In the comments, you can see the profile picture, the name of the person, when they commented, and the content of the comment. When reading these comments, you can reply to their users, so you can complement their observations, ask questions, or even have a conversation. It can be done like all other buttons by clicking on the underlined replying word. At the time, since it is only for visual purposes only, we added just the comments to demonstrate the purpose. But if you click on here, view all comments, then all comments will be displayed and you just have to scroll down to see each one of them. Then, as I said, if you want to go back, for example, to the home page, you just need to go to this breadcrumb menu right above the title, and you will be taken there.
I will show you how to use the upload page. First of all, for get to this page, you have to click on this button, the upload button. It will send you to this page. Uh, the first thing, the first section that we have is the personal information, where you have to put your full name, your email address, your date of birth, and the country of origin. Then we have the story details section, which will allow you to put your own title of your post. Within the same section, we have the your story part, where you will write all the details that you would like to share with the community, and this will be public for all the readers. On the upload image section, we have a select file button, which will open your documents from your computer and will let you add all the images that you would like to appear on your post. Then we have the category sections, which will help you to categorize the type of story that you're writing. It can be an educational story, a work story, or a culture story. Then we have the terms and privacy section, which have a button that you will check mark, and this will be to agree the terms and conditions of the page. You can find the terms of privacy and the conditions here in this link. For you to submit your story, you will always have to check mark this button. If you don't do it, it will appear a pop-up message that will say you to please accept the terms and conditions before submitting. If you already fill all the sections and checkmark the I agree terms button, then you only have to submit your story, and it will appear a message thanking you for sharing your story and contributing to the page collaboration.